Hi all, welcome to a new video. This video is about time variant and time invariant systems. Here we'll be solving few problems to determine whether a system is time invariant or not. Okay. So let us begin. A system is said to be time invariant if its characteristics does not change with time. That means if we are shifting the input signal by a certain period of time, then the corresponding output should be same as the output shifted by the same amount of time or the same time unit. Okay. If you are shifting the input signal by say T1 units, then the output obtained for that particular input should be same as the output shifted by the same T1 units of time. Okay. So let us see how do we determine whether a system is time variant. So let's do the problem. In the first question, the expression for output is given as y of t is equal to x of t plus x of t minus 1. So first we will see what is the effect of delaying the input signal. For that, the expression for output is given as y of t comma t1. Here we are delaying only the input signal. Okay. So for that, we'll put a minus t1 in the expression for input. X of t minus t1 plus x of t minus t1 minus 1. So we have added an additional minus t1 because it is a delay to the expression of to the input function in the expression for output. Okay, so this is our first equation. Y of t comma t1 is equal to x of t minus t1 plus x of t minus t1 minus 1. Now in the second part, we'll see what is the effect of delaying the output signal. For that, we'll simply substitute every t in the expression with t minus t1. Okay, so y of t minus t1 can be given as x of t minus t1 plus x of t minus t1 minus 1. Again, the expression is same. So equation 2 is equal to equation 1, that is y of t comma t1 is equal to y of t minus t1. That is for delaying the input signal by t1 units and for delaying the output signal by t1 units, both the expressions are same. So the system is time invariant. So the method is very simple. In order to obtain the expression for input delay, we will just add a minus t1 to the input function. Okay, in the brackets of input function, we will just add a minus t1. But in the case of output delay, the expression is obtained by substituting every t in the expression with t minus t1. Okay, then compare both the expressions. If they are not equal, then the system is time variant. If they are equal, then the system is time invariant. Now in the second question, the expression for output is y of t is equal to x of minus t. So first we'll delay the input signal. For that, we'll put a minus t1 in the input function. Okay, y of t comma t1 is equal to x of minus t. We'll just put a minus t1 minus t1. Okay, so that is the expression for y of t comma t1. And now we'll delay the output signal. For that, we'll substitute every t with t minus t1. Y of t minus t1 is equal to x of, so instead of that t, we are substituting minus t minus t1. So we'll put a bracket minus of t minus t1. That makes the expression as x of minus t plus t1. So as you can see, both the expressions are not same. So the system is time variant. Now question number 3. The expression for output is y of t is equal to x of t by 2. So for delaying the input signal by t1 units, we'll just put a minus t1 there. So the function is y of t comma t1 is equal to x of t by 2 is written as it is, and then we add a minus t1. So this is the expression for input delayed by t1 units. Now when we delay the output signal, we'll replace t with t minus t1. So that becomes y of t minus t1 is equal to x of t minus t1 the whole divided by 2. So as you can see, the system is time variant because y of t comma t1 is not equal to y of t minus t1. Now the last question. Y of t is given as t into x square of t. So for delaying the input signal by t1 units, first we'll write y of t comma t1 is equal to t into x square of t minus t1. We'll just put minus t1 in the input function only. Okay, so that is the first expression. In the second section where output is delayed, y of t minus t1 is given as t minus t1 into x square of t minus t1. Every t is substituted with t minus t1. So both the expressions are not same. Again, the system is time variant. So that's all. Every question can be done in this very same method and it is very simple. Okay. So I hope you understood. Thank you.